Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to LukeDoes. I'm Luke, this is Harry, and today we're doing double brown cable ties.
Hey. It's gonna be a long...
Did you quiz them all up?
No, come on guys.
Get fine.
You can start.
Alright, fuck you.
We had
I would get wrecked on so hard. So I actually don't remember.
Hey guys,
last year.
I'm Luke. This is LukeDoes, and you're watching Friendships Deteriorate.
How far through are you?
I don't remember that.
So we're about...
We've done 3 beers each.
3 beers.
Just do
Is that it?
Only
No!
3 beers. How do you feel? You feel
Yeah,
good?
about 3 beers each. Pretty good.
How much do you think?
I feel like I want to kill myself a little bit.
If you like this video, please subscribe. I need 100 followers. Please. I want 1 trillion likes on this video, or else I'm gonna kill myself.
Like actually, like very.
Suicide prank gone wrong.
So you got a lot left, or?
What's up, guys?
Oh, you.
Welcome to LukeDoes. I'm Luke.
The enthusiasm's not there.
And today
I fucked up with manic.
we're doing double round.
as well. And then just playing short stuff live.
Hey, let's all do the Mexican wave. Corey's just like, woo, woo.
I'm the only one that's
I'm about to shove 6 bees on my asshole. Bees in my ass? Bees in my ass. Bees?
You guys
Yeah,
have
you.
to collab together.
Yo, this is Harry. I touch your dick and then that's on the dick.
That's my bread and butter.
Brown soup. Get your nutrition for the day. You bit me.
Oh no. It's like the body of Christ. Sorry.
Fuck up. I didn't fuck up.
Swallow it.
Wow, that's just. Oh, gross.
Donkey!
Hey, GoPro, if you guys want to sponsor me, I do kids parties, I dress up and shit. If you want to sponsor GoPro, it's the place to be. LukeDoes. Please sponsor me, man. I need some money.
Double brown, if you would like to sponsor us.
Hey, you guys heard of DJ L-Dub? DJ L-Dub is the best DJ I've ever heard of in my life.
Didn't he die?
Yeah, he died this year, 2016. It's taken a lot of good stuff away.
Oh, I need more buns.
A few moments later.
Welcome to LukeDoes. Today, we're just chilling, bro. We've got nothing on today at all. Bottom bitches.
Don't we always do like most of the
Left and then go right.
Games
Then go
changed,
left.
man.
At least like
And then go right.
He's got a bushwalk now.
It's all for you. The world I love, the trains are hard to be part of. The wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Give me things that I wanted to know.
Hey, this has been LukeDoes. We won the game. We won double brown. We versed 3 teams. We won. We didn't win, but we won. If you like that videos, please subscribe. I need subscribers. If you don't subscribe, I will live in a ditch tomorrow. Yeah, like honestly, I'm under a bridge tonight. I just met these guys. They're not even part of my thing, man. Fuck. Can you guys just please leave me a like, leave me a subscription button. I will thank you in like 20 years in the future or something. I'll give you like a little flower bouquet when I turn up to your house. Please just help me out because I need these subscribers.
No, you never see this.
Come on.
That's how you get them. You gotta cry.
I said there's more.